Hello everyone, today we are going to see on that IICS tutorial series about router transformation. When we see the router transformation, it is active and connected and it is similar to the filter transformation. So, if you are familiar on the filter transformation, it is easier for you to work and understand the router transformation. And also I have given the link for the description. Okay, filter transformations are there. Have made the session with a simple level filter condition as well as advanced level filter conditions. So if you have worked on that filter transformation, it is helpful for you to get better understand on that router transformations. Okay, now see here I have made one filter transformation here. Okay, in this mapping, my condition it is I need to get that employees who are getting more than 50,000 salaries. So there is only one condition it is present. So I have used in the mapping only one filter transformations. Now consider second scenario. Here I have the three condition it is present. Okay, condition, three condition it is present. For the each of the condition I need to use a filter transformation. So what will happen? We can get the three filter transformation in our mapping. Okay, so instead of using this filter transformation, okay, we can use a router transformation. So with help of this router transformation, we can apply the multiple filter condition we can apply, and based on that the data will be moved into the target. Okay, the desired target location the data will be moved. Okay, and also from the incoming data, whatever we are getting the data from our downstream, okay, we can make the group in the router. Okay, because to filter the data we make that group. Okay, now see here, use the group in router transformation to filter the incoming data. Okay, and this group it's further divided into the two ways. First one it is input group and second one it is output group. First, what is input group? Means the data integration copies the properties from the input group field. Okay, first what will do that input group means the data integration copies properties, okay, from the input group field. Why it is copying means to create the field for that each output group. Okay, to create field for the each output group. That's the reason data integration copies the properties for that input group field. Okay, next group it is output group. This output group it's further classified into the two groups. First it is user specified group and next it is default group. So what is user specified group means we are giving the conditions. Okay, so if you are giving that condition, that is called as user specifying, that is we are specifying the conditions. Okay, so if the condition it is satisfied for the each row it will go and apply the conditions. Okay, if the condition it is satisfied for the row, it will be go and take for the desired target locations. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, it will be moved into the default group. Okay, now see here I have the three condition it is there. First condition it is salary less than 10,000 for the first conditions. Who are getting the salary less than 10,000, that all the employees it will be moved into the target 2. Okay, and who are getting the salary equal to 30,000, this is my condition 2 here. Okay, so that people and all datas are located into the target 3. Okay, and who are getting the salaries 50,000 means, so the employees data and all it is moving to the target 4. Okay, so if any of the employees okay, they are getting the salary equal to 10,000, for example equal 10,000 or equal to 20,000 or equal to 40,000, so these employees data and all it is not specified with this condition, so it will be moved into that default group. Okay, and the data will be moved into that target location it will be moved into. Okay, default group it will be moved, and based on that it will move to that specified target. Okay, now next we can see in this functionalities of the router transformation. First it is conditional routing. We know that what is conditions. It may be in that simple or advanced conditions. Okay, And second one, it is routing. Routing in the sense directing, that is directions. We are giving the direction to the data, okay, the specified conditions. Based on it, it will be moved into that specified target. So we can say that first it is functionality conditional routing, and second functionality it is a multiple group, that is multiple output. Okay, why it is called as multiple output means we know that we are applying that multiple conditions here. Based on that we can get that multiple target. Okay, so we can say that it is multiple output. And second, this one it is second functionalities. Okay, and third functionality it is like the expression evaluation. We are evaluating the data in the form of the calculation or comparison, and logically we are applying the expressions. Okay, it may be in the form of that simple arithmetic operators also, or logical operator also we can apply. Okay, in condition level or expression level we can apply it. Okay, so these and all it is functionalities. Okay, first functionality it is conditional routing, and the second functionality it is multiple output, and third functionality it is expression evaluation. Okay, and next we can see that usage of the router transformation. First it is data filtering, we know that what is data filtering, and second it is conditional processing. Conditional processing in the sense different segment, okay, it is forming the different segment of the data, data distributing. The data it is distributing to that multiple target. Okay, and the fourth one it is error handling. Sometimes we can get the erroneous data in our mapping, so we can make into that one separate group, output group for that. Okay, and based on that the data will be moved into the target, so it will be helpful for us further analyzing and processing. So this way we can know about the router transformation theoretically. Okay, so we will see in that upcoming session how we can work on that practically. Okay, on router transformation, there we can create the group. Okay, and also we can specify the condition. Based on that multiple condition, how we are making the target. Okay, multiple target, how we are making everything, we are going to see on that in that upcoming sessions. Okay, that will be easier for you to work on that router transformations. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it and like it. And if you have any queries or doubts there in IICS or SQL, please post the comment in the below the. Okay, so we will see on the upcoming session. Thank you.